Hi everyone, I'm Jenny. Welcome to Shengen. We are a company specializing in high-quality metal fabrication, and today we'd like to talk about a very important piece of equipment, the bending machine. In modern manufacturing, bending machines play a huge role, helping us achieve precise metal bending for a variety of applications. So what exactly is a bending machine? Simply put, it's a machine used to bend metal sheets into the angles or shapes we need. A sheet metal bending machine is incredibly versatile, used to shape sheet metal into specific profiles. The process works like this. The metal sheet is placed on the lower die of the workbench and then pressed by punches. The power system drives the movement of the slider, causing the punch to move downwards, which results in precise bends. This type of sheet metal bending machine isn't limited to just bending metal sheets, it can also bend pipes at any desired angle. Now, what are the advantages of using bending machines? First and foremost, bending machines provide extremely high precision, which is crucial when working with metal parts. In addition, bending machines are efficient and versatile, able to handle a wide range of complex designs. What's more, they help reduce material waste and speed up production, which benefits our clients and allows us to offer more competitive pricing. So why choose Shengen? First, we are dedicated to providing high-quality products and services to every client. Our team is experienced and can customize based on your specific needs, and we always ensure on-time delivery to meet your project deadlines. If you are interested in learning more about our services, please leave a comment below or contact us directly for more information. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.